day.
Today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought and some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hari ini kita goes bersama komunitas yang ada di Banda Aceh, Aceh Besar, dan bahkan di luar Banda Aceh dan Aceh Besar, diselenggarakan oleh BNN Provinsi Aceh. Diperkirakan mungkin ada 300 sampai 400 peserta goes yang mengikuti event BNN hari ini.
Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best.
Ada dua jenis sepeda di sini, yaitu ada mountain bike atau MTB, dan satu jenis sepeda lagi yaitu seli atau sepeda lipat. Tadi kita dilepas oleh Bapak Kepala BNN Provinsi Aceh, didamping juga Bapak Kapolda Aceh, ada juga Wali Nanggro. Terlihat masih suasana ramai dengan komunitas sepeda seli, sedangkan MTB sudah berada di depan. Kita bersama rombongan ACW, Aceh Cycling Woman. ACW lewat ACW. Kita sudah memasuki di simpang Palang Penerut. Mana bang, lurus ke kanan bang? Kanan. Kemacetan yang sangat luar biasa pada pagi ini. Masih bersama pasukan ACW. Oke. Hai. Pasukan ya Madan TV. Semangat kakak. Halo. Orang ganteng baju kuning. Ini kita bersama dengan Pak Ketua MTB Kutaraja, Cek Yun. Ini kita sudah menanjak di Gunungan Matai. Sangat tajam juga menanjaknya, menukik. Tanjakan nggak sanggup, turunan takut. Dari Lok Semau ya kan? Ya. Jauh kali lah kemari. Oh loh. Macam lagu Takaluan Bak Gunung. Nah ke si Ben yang megari. Udah sampai Gampung Lambarukui. Kata orang kalau udah nyampe kemari tandanya udah kuat naik Matai. Udah luar biasa. Berapa kali udah naik kak? Udah ada 6 kali lah ya. Ecek-eceknya aja. Oh, udah ya 6 kali. Ini kita sudah turunan Gunung Matai. Turunannya luar biasa juga. Kan ada teman komunitas kita, ada Pak Khairul. Kak kiri, Kak. Kiri. Kiri. Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah Allahu akbar. Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah Allahu akbar. Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah Allahu akbar. Ini kita belok ke kanan, rutenya menuju jalan yang berbatu-batuan. Ini ya. Oke.
But I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelmed. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you
Sisa
never.
waktu lebih kurang 50 menitan lagi. Jadi kita harus sampai di sana ke finish pukul 10. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Semoga dapat.
As you fade away.
Bang ya.
As you fade away.
Nah, di depan itu ada mobil pick up pengawal kita.
I know you.
Itu kalau di depan nanti suara bunyinya wiu 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 wiu. Tapi karena belum sampai aspal, jadi dia nggak bunyi. Allahu Rabbika salah jalan. Allah.